Hi, my name's Nick from Toronto, Canada, and I thought we'd shoot a little video on the little project we used GenStone for. We had some damaged brick on either side of the garage. As you can see, this GenStone product covered it beautifully and gives the house a more modern, updated look as well. This is the coffee color my wife chose. I think it goes well with the red brick and the blue-gray colored garage door. Product was very easy to install, no need for any special tools, and was actually quite a pleasure to work with. As you can see, professional results. I've had a constant stream of neighbors walking up and asking who did this project and how much did it cost and is it real stone. They can't believe after I told them it's not real stone. As for our next little project, that old flower box is going to be recovered next, which will tie everything in, I think. All in all, great product, easy to use, and would not hesitate one bit to use it in the future.